हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे. Sukabraham is enjoying. Oh, what big blessing! What great good fortune! What good luck this time! Such great good fortune. How to explain? As he is getting lost in that thought, he's saying, "Oh, look what has happened." Atha. Next, Atha.
अथ अघनामभ्यपतन्महासुरस्तेषाम् वीक्षणाक्षमः नित्यं यदन्ति नित्यजीवितेप्सुभिः पीतामृतैरप्यमरैः प्रतीक्ष्यते दृष्टार्थकान् कृष्णमुखा अघासुरः कंसानो शिष्टः सबकीबकानुजः अयं तु मे सोदरः नाशकृतयोर्वयोर्ममैनं सबलं हनिष्ये यते यदा मत्पुहदोस्तिलापः कृतास्तदा नष्टसमाव्रजौकसः प्राणे गते वर्ष्पशुकानुचिन्ता प्रजासवः प्राणभृतो हि ये ते इति व्यवसाय अजगरं बृहद्वपुः संयोजनायाम् अमहाद्रिपीवरम् धृत्वाद्भुतं व्यात्तगृहाननं तदा पक्षिव्यशेत ग्रसनाशया खलः धराधरोष्टो जलदोत्तरोष्टो दर्याननान्तो गिरिशृङ्गदंष्ट्रः धन्वान्तान्तरास्यो वितताद्वजिह्वः वर्षानिलाश्च तदवेक्षणोष्णः दृष्ट्वा तं तदा तादृशं सर्वे मत्वा वृन्दावनश्रियं यात्रा जगत्कुण्डेन क्षिप्रेक्षन्ते स्म लीलया अहो मित्राणि गदतसत्त्वकूटं परस्थितम् तुण्डायतेन वा सत्यम् सत्यमर्ककरा हनुवद्घनम् अधरहानुवद् रोदत्तत्प्रतीच्छाययारुणम् प्रतिस्पर्धेते सृक्तिभ्याम् सव्येन गोदरे दंष्ट्राभिश्च पश्यत आश्रुता धाममार्गोऽयं रसनां प्रति गद्यति येषामन्तर्गतं ध्वान्तमेतद् अप्यन्तराननम् कावोष्ण खरवातोऽयं स्वासवद् भाति पश्यत तद्दग्ध सत्त्वदुर्गन्धो अप्य अन्तराभीषगन्धवत् अस्मान् किमत्र ग्रसिता निविष्टानयं तथा चेद्बकवत् विनकङ्क्ष्यति क्षणादनेनेति बकार्युषण्मुखं वीक्ष्योद्दसन्तः करताडनैर्ययुः इत्थं मिथो यमत्तज्जभाषितं श्रुत्वा विचिन्त्येत्यं मृषायते रक्षो विदित्वाखिल भूतहत्सितः स्वानां निरोद्धुं भगवान् मनोददे.
Beautiful, beautiful. Kim varnyate dishtamato prajaukasam. Kim varnyate. How can we even explain in words the great blessing, the great good fortune, the great good luck of these children who are playing with Krishna like he is easy to get. He's easier to get for people who are reading Dashamaskanda. For others, Bahujanma Krishna. They have to struggle for many janmas and they may still not get it. Bahujanma Krishnato Dhritatma Bihi Yogi Bihi Api Alabhya. So he is starting the next part of the Leela in this chapter. Atha. Atha means what happened next. Agha Nama. There was an Asura, Mahasura, huge Asura called Agha. Agha because he can take the form of an extremely poisonous snake. How poisonous? All these devas, they have already drunk something called Amrutam. So they're not going to die. Amrutam is opposite of poison. But even the people who have drunk poison, they are afraid of this Agasura. Pita Amrutairapi Amaraihi Pratikshate Drishtvarbakan. Seeing the children are enjoying with Krishna. Enjoying so much, no? Sukha Kridana Vikshana. Sukha Kridana. They're enjoying the games. He's not able to bear it. He's like, this Krishna fellow killed my sister. Who? Putana, Baki. And killed Bakasura. So this Agasura is sibling to Baki and Baka. Ayam tume sodhara nasha. He has killed my other siblings, so I am going to kill these two. Dvayor Sabalam Hanishye. And I will kill all the children who are playing with him because they are his friends, no? Let me take proper revenge. Because if this Krishna and this Balarama are killed, then the whole of Gokulam is going to perish. Ite Vyavasya. Thinking in this manner. Ajagaram. Ajagara means snake. This huge snake, already he is big, he is a Mahasura. Now he has taken the form as big as a mountain. Mahadri Pivaram. Adri means mountain. Mahadri, huge Adri. Dhrutva Adbhutam. Even that form is amazing to see. He is waiting. What is he waiting for? He is waiting to eat all these children. Grasanashaya. Khalaha. Dharadharostro. His mouth is so big that the lower part of his jaw is touching the earth. The upper part of his lips, the upper lips, no, they are in the clouds. Oshta means lip. The lower lip is touching the ground. The upper lip is touching the clouds. Jaladhora, Jalada. Jalada means things that give water. What gives water? Cloud gives water. So this upper part of his lip is touching the clouds. Dari Anananto. His mouth looks like a huge cave. And inside that, his teeth are like smaller peaks within a mountain range. It's very dark in his mouth. Dvanta, Antarasya. And his tongue looks like it is made of fire. And his breathing is coming hot and durgandha. Ushnaha. These children did not understand. Prekshante smalilaya. They looked at this. Oh, what is this? This must be some special feature of Vrindavana. We have not seen this mountain. Till yesterday, this mountain was not there. But suddenly today, there is a huge mountain. So it must be a special feature of Vrindavana. Vrindavana Shriyam Matva. So one of them is saying, look at this. Sattvakutam, such a huge mountain has suddenly appeared. If you look at it from certain angles, it looks like it is a huge snake that can swallow us. Asmati, Sangrasana. It's possible. One of them is saying. Other one is saying, look at the sunlight. Arka. Arka means sun. Look at the sunlight. It is reflecting on the lower part of this cave, and that reflection is reflecting again from the upper part of the cave. It actually therefore makes it look like a red part of the inside of somebody's mouth. One of the children is saying. Other one is saying, look at these mountain rocks here. They could actually be somebody's sharp teeth, Tunga Shringalayo Api. It looks like Damshtra Vishcha. It looks like it could be teeth. Look at this beautiful path that has been laid out. Welcoming path. If you really think about it, it could be somebody's huge tongue. This Margoyam Rasanam could be a tongue, one child is saying. Another one is saying, Davoshna. Sometimes I have seen, they say that there is forest fire. And when forest fire is there, the wind that blows is very hot. I feel the wind coming out of this cave is also like that. Davoshna. And it stinks, man. It smells. Kharavatoyam Swasavati. That could be somebody's breathing, One child is saying. And the other child is saying, in a forest fire, sometimes the animals get caught and they get burnt. Then there is bad smell of the meat getting cooked by the fire. Amisha Gandhavati. Shuka Brahman is saying, my God, Amrusha Mrushayate. This is really a snake. Shuka Brahman cannot bear. The children are walking into the snake's mouth. So he's saying, Arey, this is a real snake. Why are you thinking it is a mountain? Why are you thinking it is a false snake? Amrusha. Mrusha means false. Amrusha, this is real snake. Amrusha Mrushayate. So one of the children is saying, what if this is truly an asura? So another child is saying, don't worry. You know what happened to Bakasura, no? Bhakavat Vinangshyati. Because who is with us? With us we have Kshanat Aneneti Bakari. Bakari. The one who easily destroyed the Bakasura, he is with us. So not an issue. While these people are saying all this and entering, Krishna has been a little away. But he understands what is going on. Why? Viditva Akhila Bhuta Hritstita. Akhila Bhuta Hritstita. He is in the hridayam of this Akasura also. He is in the hridayam of all these devotees. So he is like, I must stop these children from getting into some harm. Swanam Nirodham. Swanam. Somehow, some of us, he picks. He is samoham. All beings in the world are equal. But some people he picks. Swajana, Hrit, keeps them in his heart. Rakshita Jiva Lokasya, Rakshita Swasya Dharmasya, Swajanasya cha Rakshita. Rama's quality, He'll protect everybody, but some people he considers Swajana. So we are lucky. So this God is considering us to be his Swajana. Swanam.